Hi everyone, my name is Steve and I'm the marketing manager at Brilliant. Today I want to show you guys how to use PiCO Home easily. So first you need to prepare a smart home, cables and PiCO Home. The cables will be provided in the box when you first receive your PiCO Home. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be using the long cable since PiCO Home will most probably be used indoors. So this is how you connect it by plugging this part here, this side. So to turn it on, you hold this button for 3 seconds. So blue color means that it is ready. So once that's done, you come up to your phone and you open the PiCO Home mobile app. When you open it for the first time, this is the screen that will greet you. Just hit next, next, and next, and get started. And once you see this screen, the first thing you should do is register or log in to use PiCO Home. I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and log in. You type in your email and your password. So once you log in, this is the screen that you will see, the outside information, the plus sign, and then how to connect PiCO Home directly via Bluetooth. So I'll show you how to connect via Wi-Fi. You go ahead and push the plus button on the top right, and then you find the PiCO Home, and then you find the network, and then you go to your network provider and you type in your password. Please note that this only works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. If you have a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bandwidth, you should change it to the 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth. So the device name is PiCO Home, or you can change it however you like. And in this case, we are at the office. So I select office and I click get started using PiCO Home. And you wait for it to register. And confirm. So once that is done, you can go ahead and click on this button and it begins measuring the air immediately. Hit back. And to use via Bluetooth, you have to first switch it off or pull the cable out of PiCO Home. And just put it back in and turn it on. So it's blue, meaning that it's ready to use. And just hit this. When you connect via Bluetooth, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth are on. Just push ahead and you wait. So for the color, blue means that it's getting ready. Purple means it's being updated. White means standard. And this color indicates the air quality level, which I'll discuss further. So after connecting via Bluetooth, this is the screen that we will see. You can see PM 2.5 right here, PM 10, temperature, humidity, VOCs, and equivalent carbon dioxide. If you scroll down, it will give you information and advice of what you should do or how the air is like. And you can change specific factors like PM 10, you just hold it and drag it. Sorry. So it says the temperature is mild. If I drag humidity, it's humidity. The air is very dry, and I'm gonna go back to PM 2.5. So as you can see now where I am, the PM 2.5 is moderate. So below here, it gives you the forecast of what the air quality will be like tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. So if you push here, this is small to see, but click here and you see a bigger text. So blue means it's good, orange means it's moderate, this color means it's between moderate to unhealthy, and red means it's very unhealthy. So as you can see, the air quality is good. The carbon dioxide is at this level, and the VOC is at 1 to 3 parts per billion. So PM 2.5 is a dangerous particulates in the air that when you breathe it in, it goes straight into your bloodstream. This is probably the most important metrics in air quality measurement that we should know in order to stay safe and healthy. The VOCs basically is gas from certain solids or liquid, for example, paint, varnishes, wax, cosmetics, or sprays. Generally, VOC reading less than 1 is good. The lower, the better. If it's more than 1 but less than 10, it will create mild health issues. If it's more than 10, it can create significant health issues. The carbon dioxide is 405 parts per million. So what this means is if there are more carbon dioxide in the air, the less fresher the air is. So moderate to high levels can cause headache and fatigue due to lack of oxygen. Very high levels could possibly cause nausea, dizziness, vomiting, or loss of consciousness. If you swipe to the right, you can see the comfort zone, which is represented by this box. If the dot is anywhere inside the box, that means you are in an environment where you can feel comfort. It's optimal. If the dot is outside of the box, it could mean that the air is too dry, or the air is too polluted, or the carbon dioxide levels is too high. So this is how it looks like again. And back. So that's it for the demonstration of using PiCO Home. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at cs@bilcom.com. Thank you so much.